afternoon, Mineral Wells had soared to 86 degrees in that dry air. A little bit more muggy here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, keeping our temperatures
How
in the
does it
70s.
have
We're
light?
still mild across the board. 74 in Dallas, 73 Fort Worth. We've dropped to 76 in Mineral Wells, 75 Corsicana, 76 degrees in Sulphur Springs. No weather issues at all this evening. With a partly cloudy sky, we'll see very mild conditions. We're likely to still be in the upper 60s by 10 o'clock tonight with that south breeze. Just some high clouds moving in from the south and west here. The big weather maker is still beginning to move.
What are you doing?
Here, sprawling trough of low pressure. You can see the rain in Southern California, snow in the higher elevations outside of Las Vegas, and there is a severe weather threat across all of North Texas.
Wait
Saturday
just a
afternoon
second,
into
everybody,
Friday
whoever's
Saturday
watching
night, we're
this.
likely to see 2 rounds of storms. One tomorrow afternoon that'll target mainly the eastern half of North Texas. The wind threat will primarily be over 2.
I want to make them play.
In early Sunday morning, there is the threat of a brief isolated tornado, according to maybe half-dollar-sized hail to be the more robust storms. And the flood threat will be at least moderate, especially east of Dallas and Fort Worth, where I expect several inches potential of rainfall. We'll spell it all out with your 4-1 forecast coming in.
Dozens of illegal immigrant children are now being housed in Ellis County. The first group arrived this afternoon at a camp where hundreds of undocumented children from Central America will be housed for 3 weeks. Many of them are teenagers, some as old as 17. Fox Sports Carolina is at that camp near Waxahachie.
Hi, Richard. Workers were told applauded as the children left the buses today. The Ellis County Sheriff says that they were expecting as many as 150. Far fewer than that came in the first wave. Most were workers and security. The first buses arrived just after 3 this afternoon. 50 illegal immigrant children were on board, along with other staff and caregivers and security. More buses and more children.
Here, Piper.
This weekend. A
Come here,
small city
Piper.
is being set up at the Lakeview Church
Come
camp
on,
in
Mama, baby.
Waxahachie. For 21 days, it will be the
here.
address for as many as 700 illegal immigrant children, some as old as 17. There are fears by many who live in Ellis County about the children coming here. Children who maybe are desperate to survive and may exhibit behavior beyond their years.
What situation have these kids come from? Children, young adults? Are they?
Wait just a minute.
He believes he's confident that the perimeter is secure, and he says that nobody will be allowed off this campus, and that they don't expect any interaction with the community and these children.
Hello, doggy. Come here, Pepper. He's looking at me. And wait, one more second. Wait, never mind. I don't care about my music, I care about my job. See you next time on dog's leg.